Here they come.
He's stepping aside.
Pardon me? I didn't know you wanted to stand here, good sir. I apologize. He's going to resume immediately after.
They're stressed to fight. Oh my god, they're gonna fight.
They're scared, bro. They intimidated by these tall boys.
Nightly fights.
I'm telling you, on the hierarchy, they up there.
They're done.
Yeah, they're out, bro. He's intimidating them. They're scared of him. That's why they're backing away.
Like Walter White. Stay out of my territory.
They're scared. That's why they're
They're getting kicked out. Look at him. He's
He
like,
got kicked out
bouncing.
of the
I'm
spot.
telling you.
He was lying down.
Both those are together.
And stay out.
1990s college bullies we're looking at right now.